Hi guys, it's me Liam. Today, we're unboxing the sword of Obanai Iguro. From Demon Slayer, let's see what's inside the box. Obanai's sword. Today I will unboxing the Obanai Iguro sword. In fact, this sword very blade nice like katana. Also, this box is about 10 inches but wooden sword. So the wooden sword box is 10 inches tall. Let's get into it. I am use Taobao for phone. You can download free, can buy something cosplay and anime swords just like. Make sure you can unboxing. Here we go, the Obanai wooden sword. Now, let's open the box. This Obanai sword with sword bag. First making sword assemble because serpent, Hashira, the snake blade. That one is sword bag for Obanai sword. Isn't sword guards design very good paint? Even the colors are sword guards though. But Obanai sword guards colors like green and black snake guards. Sword Suka handle example of a katana handles. This color very nice, shining a purple and green. Also white tie with sword handle on glue. Snake blade of Obanai. This snake blade 10 centimeters, also nice color paint. Now assemble this Obanai Iguro sword. Let's opening plastic wooden sword serpent. The Obanai Iguro at Demon Slayer. Kimetsu no Yaiba favorite anime in Japanese. Now finishing opening plastic so Obanai sword. Okay, now we build assemble Obanai sword. All Obanai Iguro swords are wooden. Then let's build. I finished build at Obanai wooden sword. Now I show you the Obanai sword. Obanai sword guard black like a snake expecting. Look at line blade just like a snake blade is serpent. Serpent breathing all form anime and manga. First form winding serpent slash. Second form venom fangs of the narrow head. Third form coiled choke. All form serpent breathing also can speak Japanese. This is a Obanai Iguro sword. Now what size katana? Is this Obanai sword now what size? That one wooden sword Tanjiro new sword. Also that wooden sword Keigaku sword. Example is the Zoro Wado Ichimonji. Now size the Obanai sword 10 inches. If very size a wooden sword also means the 10 inches. Alright, now I open the sword bag, so what do we see? Sword bag like a sword sheath, the same thing. Now let's open the plastic. Wow, that's sword bag, because like a katana sheath. That's sword bag. If a Obanai sword, but Serpent Hashira. That why the size for sword sheath also Obanai. I then for Obanai sword some more. Blade, like a snake blade. Now checking inside a sword bag, I then put sword. There's a inside the sword example of Nichiren's sword Obanai Iguro, just like last time Yuta Okatsu used sword bag. Now Obanai Iguro sword, the most important weapon. Now let inside a sword if the its works. Its work, but sword sheath. Better a wooden sword sheath than a katana. So Obanai sword sheatha because if snake blade. But size matters in the 10 cm sword sheath. Serpent Hashira Obanai Iguro sword inside. Maybe sword bag or sheath just like that. Now I have the Obanai Iguro sword. Is this the real one? Alright guys, comments on like and make sure subscribe. Thanks for watching, comments on like and sharing subscribe.